that it's just a game. That nothing will ever come out of it. That it won't bring us fame or glory. That it won't make our country proud. They told us to stop wasting our time. Well, let them say all they want. We'll prove it to them. We'll be the champions. Mobile Legends Bang Bang World Championship 2019, M1.
And welcome back, everybody. This is the M1 Championship live draw show where we're going to be putting teams into different groups so we can see where things are going to be placed around here. Now, just to explain it to you guys, we have already shown you the tournament format. Now we're going to be showing you guys how we're going to be doing this live group draw. In front of us, we have plenty of options. Looking at Group A, B, C, and D, that's where these teams are going to be put in. Pool 1 and 2 consisting of these MPL winners and have qualified to bring in Pool 3 M1 qualifiers from across the globe. They're going to each individually be picked out and be put into their separate groups in this particular order, as you can see on the graphic. Group B, P1, eventually it will move on to Group C and Group D, and after Pool 1 is finished, we'll be moving on to Pool 2 and Pool 3 respectively. Now, if you guys are ready, we're getting super close to actually being able to start this off. But one more thing you must be wondering, what happens if two regions are put within the same group? Well, if that is the case, we will be taking that team and pushing them over to the next group and continue the draw until everything is clear so you can see that there's no tampering, none of that nonsense, and here we go. The first team put in Group B is going to be the Burmese ghouls from the Myanmar side. I repeat one more time, Burmese ghouls will be placed into Group B. We're going to throw it over to our casters. Tell us, we've kind of cleared it up, let's go on to the next draw. We are looking for a team to go into Group C here. Now, looking at how it's going so far, for Pool 1, we still have a couple more options left. Two teams left to be selected here. It's going to be EVOS Legends as well as Sunspark, who's going to be joining them in Group C. It's going to be Sunspark from the Philippines locking in their slot into Group C. A very interesting team here. I mean, Ahmad, Slychi, what you got to say about this?
Well, Sunsparks, they are
is going to be the next pick, and we all know who it's going to be. Pool 1, it's all been set. Let's crack that open. What a surprise! EVOS Legends! Obviously, I mean, you guys, they recently just won MPL Indonesia. What are your guys' thoughts? I have to know.
Well, we have 250k concurrent viewers.
So up too often, but the fact that he has it is something to kind of be aware of coming into Group D. But now we're moving on to Pool 2. Let's see these rivals.
Oh
boy.
I saw Malaysian flag. It's a Malaysian team.
It's going to be Todak that's going to be put into Group C this time. Todak is going to be put into Group C. We all saw this coming. It's going to be RRQ, and these guys have been around for so long. They built a huge fan base, and it's time for them to actually go for it and push on through. Now, just to explain it a little bit, remember, Indonesian teams can't go against Indonesian teams, so they're pushed forward. Group A, they will go. Tell us a little bit about them a little bit more.
Okay, now I understand why Onyx is in Group D. I totally forgot about that. Thank you, Gideon, for pointing out. Yes, RRQ is RRQ. It's a team, again, as said by Fatal 5-Way, it's a team that has been in the scene for quite some time, but still yet to try to become like a very solid team. They won, I believe it was season 2 of MPL, Indonesia.
I,
Angriak Mall, I can't remember the mall, but
I'm afraid if I chip in, simple stuff actually works well. So why actually repair something that is not broken?
that's correct. So with that being said, with the last team being placed in Group D, there you go, guys. The M1 World Championship group stages, group teams A, B, C, and D.
All 16 teams from 14 countries. On to Group A, we have Evos SG, Reckham Keon, and then Impunity as well as Vec Fantasy Main.
Alright, Group B, we have Burmese Schools, Axis Esports, Candy Comebacks, and also Gosu Gaming.
And on to Group C, we have Sunsparks, Toda Geo from Brazil, and Evil Esport from Turkey.
And lastly, Group D, we have finished off EVOS Legend, Onyx Philippines, Tusvolk, and also 10 Second Gaming Plus. Okay, now we